Oh, yep. Give the viewers a kissy kiss. Yeah. I gotta catch this one as a 4-H project. You're gonna get caught too, aren't you? You, and you. And you back there? Maybe you three? Well, it's December 28th, and we have barely fed out hardly any hay. This fall, the grass has still been growing. The weather's been still pretty warm here in the Pacific Northwest, and these guys have still been grazing. Isn't that right, huh, buddy? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, is it Daisy? Yes. Yeah. This is really nice having friendly cows. Daisy might get shown this next year at the fair for a little dairy heifer. So logistically, I have to move all this hay to create some room down at the end so I can start feeding in the barn and bait everybody on in to close the gates on them. But before that, I gotta get these girls fed. Typically about now, we've already got this bay cleared out, and we've got maybe about 3 round bales set on end, and we're just peeling feed off, and the cows are all coming in the barn, eating what they need to out of the rain, as this year has been crazy for the amount of grass growing. And I got to move all this hay 2 more times just to catch animals. Well, having these 2 hay bales right here will help me feed inside the barn and lure them in. As I was rolling bales out, I saw a cow turd out in the courtyard where the cows don't access. And as I was moving all the bales, lo and behold, there he is. Snuck inside the pen, huh? Next year's steer. Look at that. Little Houdini. Come on, girls. Well, now with these kids eating, a couple round bales, peeling hay off, time to stack all that stuff back in. Holy smokes. I'm just gonna use what I gained in the beginning of this row in the back, and then I'll just roll hay bales off on the back of the pile to keep feeding everybody. Well, I got all the hay put back in, and the trap is set. I need to catch 1 to 3 4-H projects. This year will be light on steers because losing our bull a year ago, only half the herd got bred. So we only have 7 little calves. Well, here we are a couple days later. It's a little cold. Here's the group of hooligans that I'm gonna try to bait into the barn. All I gotta do is kind of walk them in and shut the gate behind them, and then filter some cows out. Out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. You're all right. I got 11 and 12, which are heifers. They haven't had their first calf yet, and I'm gonna try to kick them out. You can tell these girls and boys ain't happy, but I'm gonna kick them out because I don't have time to friendly them up further. They already eat treats out of my hands, so we're all good. Yeah, huh, girl? Come on. Come on, girl. Yeah. Look at that. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. You be staying to make me some cash. Yeah. Huh? You want to come back over with your friends? No, 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 no. I want you out, kiddo. Yep. Jeez. See, this is the crap I gotta deal with. I'm trying to shove him over, and he's itching right on there. Just itching, making my life terrible. Just itching on the gate while I'm trying to shut these guys out of here. Oh, this farm used to be filled with crazy cows. Now it's filled with pretty friendly cows, and they both have their problems with working them. Yeah, huh, buddy? Good boy. Number 12. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. You wanna come out? Yeah. Go have a baby. Everybody's getting pretty nervous, mainly because they're hungry and they're away from mom now. A lot of these big animals should have been weaned months ago, but it was just difficult catching them because there was just so much grass out there. I couldn't get them into the barn and get them caught. I could go run them down with a truck, but that's... I like calm animals. This is pretty exciting. After I get them fed, we're gonna let them out to water. Yeah. Yeah, you're all right. Yeah. Well, everybody's gonna get settled in and start eating. We'll hear them from the house just mooing and bellowing and not happy because they are away from mom, but oh well. I don't know if you can see it, but the sheep is lurking in the background. Just like, hey, where's my hay? How you doing, Cash? Woo! Well, this year we got 2 steers to go to somebody else and 1 to keep as a 4-H project, another 4 heifers to turn into cows. It's a kind of a light year, but this is a good year to save back some heifers to add to the herd and then rotate out some old girls. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good one.